Welcome to Math with Mr. T. If you are here because you do not understand rate tables or ratios, you're in the right spot. First, you have to understand that a rate table is a relationship. There's a relationship between all of these numbers from left to right, and there's a relationship with the numbers from top to bottom. Let me explain. If we're talking about something like hours, and maybe this is how many miles somebody can bike in an hour, you can see that a person can bike 3 miles in 1 hour. That is a times 3 relationship. So we can go down to 2 hours and see that it's 2 times 3 gets us 6. And for a rate table, the expectation is that you can fill in all of the missing numbers. Now we can go down and solve this by just seeing that everything from hours to miles is 3 times bigger. For every 1 hour, there will always be 3 miles. But there's another relationship at play here too. Since this table is going up by 1 hour, we can see it's plus 1 between each of these numbers. But it's also going up by plus 3 miles on this side. And as long as our rate is constant with hours, then our mile rate will also be constant. This is a plus 3 from 12. We can double check to make sure that 15 is 3 times bigger than 5. And our last number here is 18 because it is 3 times bigger. That's our relationship from left to right. And also plus 3 more than the miles right above it. Now, if we look at the rate table on the right-hand side here, we need to first see if we can find a relationship between two numbers. There's no relationship with the 1 on the top, with the 8, with the 10. Ah, I see it here. This is our key. What is the relationship between 6 and 30? Well, 30 is 5 times bigger than 6. So I'm going to put a little times 5 here. Because I know that 6 is 5 times smaller than 30, I can figure out the rest of this rate table by simply putting in some additional numbers. This is a 1 to 5 rate table. It's a 1 to 5 ratio. That means that every time I have a number on this side, even if it's scrambled, do you notice that the numbers on the left side here do not go in order? I can still figure out what all of the numbers would be in this table. Now for this one, when I go down to the third number, the 10, I'm going to need to think to myself, what is 10 divided by 5? Because I'm going backwards. There's something also that's really cool here. Once you find this top ratio, this is called the basic ratio, you can actually jump down and think about what's the relationship with this 5 to the 100. Well, the 100 is 20 times bigger. That means that on the other side, but the same amount of rows going down, we're going to have a number that is also 20 times bigger. So that'll be 1 times 20. We could do the same thing for the next number. How much bigger than 5 is 20? Well, it's 4 times bigger. So on this side, I'm going to come down to the exact same row and know that I'm doing the exact same thing. It is 4 times bigger. Thanks for watching. And please like and comment if this video is helpful to you. And don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next time.